My name is Shauna Johnson. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager at ProMed Molded Products. We are capable of taking on a project with low volume. Our company does take in each project and look at the project as a whole in a unique setting where we work with the customer. Our projects that we take on are not turned down just due to volume. We don't just turn projects away. We take in the project and look at the project as a whole, look at the customer. We look at the future and how many people are actually investing in that market segment, and we like to take on that kind of journey with the customer. It can be exciting because we can be vested in a company for 10 years. We enjoy those kinds of opportunities. A significant amount of the projects that ProMed does take on is geared more towards a high mix of product with a low volume behind it for ongoing production. Most of our competitors are taking on 100,000 pieces plus, where ProMed is capable of taking on low volume pieces as low as even 10 pieces in the prototype setting. But in the production setting, we focus on approximately 1,000 pieces to maybe no higher than 6 million pieces annually. We don't shut down ideas. If our customer has a need, we might be their solution.